Hello, good morning, students. In the yesterday's session, we have already completed the details regarding the question answers on the lesson that is your 10th chapter. In that first one, President, I already explained. President is the constitutional head of the country. The rules of the country runs in the name of President. He is the head of the nation and the first citizen of the Republic India also. All the executive powers of the federal government is given to the president by the Constitution of India. चलो यहाँ से बाकी था, अब यहाँ से पढ़ते हैं. Second one, Prime Minister. The Prime Minister is the real head. The Prime Minister is the real head of the central government. Then write down the second point. He distributes the portfolios to the cabinet ministers. Portfolios to the cabinet ministers. Third one, the Prime Minister is a chairman. The Prime Minister is a chairman of Niti Aayog, N-I-T-I, Niti Aayog. Then fourth one, there are three levels of ministers. There are three levels of ministers under the PM, that is the Prime Minister, called Council of Ministers. That is the cabinet ministers, comma, the state ministers, and the deputy ministers. Okay, then write down the third, civil service. Is right, civil service definition: the service of the administrative officers. The service of the administrative officers is known as the civil service. Full stop. The administrative executive, carries out the work of implementing the policies. Comma, programs and planning done by the government. चलो फोर्थ ध्यान से देखना, समरस गांव. समरस इस शब्द से एक विशेष प्रकार का विलेज का स्थान होता है. क्या होता है? The village in which the election and the sarpanch are unanimously elected, are declared as Samras villages. And they are honored by a prize, and they are honored by a prize. Then fifth one, special committee. Special committee. Special committee is appointed to perform a special function, that is beyond the authority or capacity of a standing committee Full stop. Some select committees, selected लिख दीजिए, some selected committees are called special committees, full stop, such as Senate Special Committee, Senate, SENATE, Senate Special Committee on Aging. Okay, now next page. All of you just take the screenshot of this one so that you can write the answers carefully. इसका आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए, मैं 2 मिनट रुकता हूँ. All of you take the screenshot so that you can have the page with you. And now move in the next page. All of you write down the section C now. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions as required. First question is, when is the bill made? Describe the process. You may be also asked, when does the bill become an act and what is the procedure for it? दोनों क्वेश्चन के आंसर यही आएंगे, both the questions. Okay, all of you start noting down the answer first according to your own ideas. सब लोग लिखना स्टार्ट करो, मैं रुकता हूँ 1 मिनट के लिए, ठीक है? लिखते रहो सब लोग, मैं डिक्टेट करता हूँ थोड़ी देर में. चलो, आपको थोड़ा टाइम दिया था लिखने के लिए, ठीक है? फिर भी मैं डिक्टेट करता हूँ आंसर. The drafted proposal drafted लिखना, DRAFTED, the drafted proposal to create a desired law, to create a desired law is called a bill, is called a bill. Full stop. A bill can be proposed in any house, of the parliament, full stop. The president does the important work amending the old laws, amending means making the changes or making the modifications, okay, comma, framing new laws and nullifying, that is to remove something completely, okay, that is called as nullifying. Absolute laws, ABSOLETE, एब्सोल्यूट मतलब जो बहुत पुराने जिनका उपयोग नहीं होता है उन्हें एब्सोल्यूट लॉज कहते हैं. फुल स्टॉप. देयर आर अ वेरी लार्ज नंबर ऑफ बिल्स, there are a very large number of bills proposed under various categories in the parliament, full stop. Three important categories, छोटी हैंडराइटिंग में लिखना नहीं तो आपका पेज उधर ही भर जाएगा, या फिर आप एक्स्ट्रा पेज लगाकर उसको फोल्ड कर सकते हो. सब लोग इस पर ध्यान देना खास. There are three important categories in the parliament of bill, and they are number one, ordinary bill. Second, money and financial bill, financial bill, financial bill. And third, constitution amendment bill, constitution, constitution amendment, amendment bill, full stop. Any of these bill needs to pass through various stages, to become an act, of law, to become an act of law. Full stop. In case of disputes, between the two houses, houses mat likhna, between the two house will respect to the bill, will respect to the bill, will respect to the bill. Full stop. The president calls a joint session. Full stop mat karna, comma karna. The president calls a joint session of both the houses, to discuss and sort out the matter, to discuss and sort out the matter to stop. The speaker works as the chairman. The speaker works as the chairman of the joint session Finished? The bill can then be passed by majority. The bill can then be passed by majority. Full stop. When the majority of the members of both the houses pass the proposed bill, comma, then it becomes an act. Bracket mein law. After the assent of the president. Assent का मतलब क्या होता है? To put the signature and pass it with the seal of the president. Clear? सही सिक्का लगवा के उसे बिल को ट्रांसफर करना और उसको हमेशा के लिए एक नया एक्ट बना देना. That is called as assenting the bill into the act. Then second one, write a short note on executive related powers of the Vidhan Sabha. विधान सभा को हम सिविक लैंग्वेज में क्या यूज करते हैं? वर्ड लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली. याद रखना. So answer, the most important function of the legislative assembly is to act as the is to act as the highest law-making organ. Act as the highest law-making organ of the state. Of the state. First point, in unicameral. यूनिकैमरल क्या होता है? सिंगल लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली होती है. ओके, मतलब विधानसभा होता है, बल्कि विधान परिषद नहीं होता है, लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल नहीं होता है, उसको यूनिकैमरल कहते हैं. ओके, इन यूनिकैमरल स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर, in unicameral state legislature, comma, all bills on subjects in the state list initiated INITIATED and passed by this house, initiated and passed by this house before sending to the governor. Before sending to the governor for his assent. For his assent. Second point, in bicameral. What is bicameral? Simple opposite of unicameral, where both the houses are there in the state. That is, legislative assembly भी होती है, legislative council भी होता है, विधान सभा भी होती है, विधान परिषद भी होता है. In bicameral state legislatures, comma, the money bills can be introduced only in legislative assembly. The chief minister and his council of ministers are collectively responsible for their acts to the legislative assembly. Full stop. Last point, the ministers, comma, including the chief minister, remain in power only as long as they enjoy as long as they enjoy the confidence of the majority, enjoy the confidence of the majority of the members. Again I repeat, the ministers, comma, including the chief minister, remain in power only as long as they enjoy the confidence, of the majority of the members of the legislative assembly, of the members of the legislative assembly. The assembly alone considers, the assembly alone considers the reports of the Public Service Commission, considers the reports of the Public Service Commission of the state, In the next session, we will continue with the third point and complete the lesson, okay, in the next session. So all of you, please note down all the details which I have mentioned in the given videos, okay. जो भी वीडियोस में दिया हुआ है तो सब अपने वर्कबुक में कंप्लीट करना, और आपको चैप्टर्स की जो पीडीएफ है, क्वेश्चन आंसर जो है वो अलग से भेजी जाएगी, ओके। थैंक यू।